Do 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 do. Hello there. Hey, you know what happened to me? I broke my vacuum cleaner. So I sent it off to the repair shop to get it fixed. I need to clean my apartment, and so I really need a vacuum cleaner, you know. So right here, in this house here, lives a very good friend of mine, Herbert Birdsfoot, and he's got a vacuum cleaner, you know. So what I think I'll do is that I was just going to knock on this door here and ask Herbert Birdsfoot if I can borrow his vacuum cleaner. But wait a minute. You know what? Gee, I just happened to think. Right about this time every day, old Herbert Birdsfoot takes a bath. I bet he's inside there right now in his nice warm tubby, soaping his ears, you know. And then there's going to be this knock on the door, and then he's got to come to the door, and then I'm going to ask to borrow his vacuum cleaner, and he's going to be real mad, I bet, because I made him come out of his nice warm tubby and come to the door all wet and sudsy. He'll probably even catch a cold. Wow. Yeah. You know what? He might not even loan me his vacuum cleaner. You know, a person who makes him come, you know, out of his nice warm tubby and catch a cold. Wow. He'd probably, you know what, I bet that he would think I would never return his vacuum cleaner to him. But I would. Of course I would. But he would think I wouldn't. Matter of fact, he'd probably go around telling all my friends not to loan me anything. He'd probably say how unreliable I am, you know, and people would stop loaning me things, and people shouldn't loan me anything. And matter of fact, they probably wouldn't even speak to me anymore. Why, I used to have a lot of friends before that rotten old Herbert Birdsfoot started shooting off his mouth.
Hi, Ernie.
Oh yeah? Well, if that's the way you feel about it, you could just keep your rotten old vacuum cleaner. So there!